If your tomato plants keep drying out, cracking, or producing small fruit, the problem may not be the plant. It may be how you're watering and what you're using for mulch. Here's how to fix both. Many beginner gardeners either water tomatoes too often or not deeply enough. The result? Tomatoes grow best when the soil stays consistently moist, not constantly wet, and not bone dry. That's where mulch and proper watering make all the difference. Not every mulch works equally well around tomatoes. The goal is simple: keep moisture in, keep weeds down, protect the soil. Here are 3 excellent choices. Straw. Clean straw is one of the best tomato mulches. It insulates the soil, reduces evaporation, and slowly breaks down to improve soil structure. Avoid hay whenever possible because it often contains weed seeds. Shredded leaves. Free and easy to find. Shredded leaves help hold moisture while feeding the soil over time. Leaves work especially well in sustainable gardens because they recycle yard waste instead of sending it away. Finished compost. Compost acts as both mulch and a slow-release fertilizer. It helps retain moisture while supplying nutrients during the growing season. Many gardeners combine compost first, then cover it with straw for the best results. Tomatoes don't need daily watering, they need deep watering. Water slowly so moisture reaches 6 to 8 inches into the soil where the roots actually grow. A long soak every few days is much better than a light sprinkle every morning. Morning is the best time to water. This gives leaves time to dry and reduces disease problems. Always water at the base of the plant. Keeping the leaves dry helps prevent fungal diseases like early blight. If possible, use a soaker hose or drip irrigation. These methods deliver water directly to the roots while wasting very little. Mistake number 1, mulching too early. Wait until the soil has warmed in late spring before adding thick mulch. Cold soil slows root growth. Mistake number 2, piling mulch against the stem. Leave about 2 inches of open space around the stem to reduce rot and discourage insects. Mistake number 3, using fresh wood chips around young tomatoes. Fresh wood chips can temporarily tie up nitrogen near the soil surface. They're better used on pathways or around established shrubs. Mistake number 4, watering a little every day. Shallow watering creates shallow roots. Deep roots produce stronger plants that handle hot weather much better. For healthier tomato plants, healthy soil plus consistent moisture equals healthier plants and better tomatoes. Simple methods usually produce the best results. Good tomato gardening doesn't require expensive products. Consistent watering and the right mulch can make one of the biggest differences in your harvest. If you found this helpful, please consider liking the video, subscribing to Fred's Sustainable Gardening, and sharing it with another gardener who wants healthier tomatoes. Now check out the next video on your screen, chosen to help you grow an even more productive garden.